Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center. Today I'm talking about the Bosch coffee maker. You can see I'm enjoying a nice coffee, but this is one of the most maintenance pieces in your kitchen. So guys, you have to stay on top of this, keep it super clean, and take these additional steps to keep it running right for the next couple years. So Bosch coffee maker right here, you can go right to this icon right here on the bottom right. It'll say cleaning and service. So this will give you, how many cups. So if we look on the top, it says 93 cups till we descale it. That's our descaling. Calcium clean is 193 and the regular clean is 193. And at any time, if you do make cappuccinos and things like that, you can rinse the milk system by just hitting this button. So what does that mean, okay? The descale, which is a great item, that is a big tab that really goes in the machine, kind of the Alka-Seltzer, kind of cleans it all out, gets all the gunk and the buildup of coffee and the buildup of water in your machine to really keep the engine running freely, I like to say. So we have 93 more cups to do that, but this is just a great general area for cleaning and service all the time that you can look at on your machine. And if I go up to the wrench, here's our language. We can check the water hardness, the filter, and here's where Home Connect is. That's another thing. It is a Wi-Fi product, gang, so if you do want to hook it up, Home Connect is where you want to hook it up, and then really go through the prompts. It'll probably take about 15 to 20 minutes to hook it up, but with your app on your phone or smart device, with Home Connect, you can use it and really make a ton of drinks without looking for anything. So it's really an efficient tool, okay? Let's get out of there. Star, this is where you hold, about 8 or 10 of your favorite recipes. So this is Chef's Joe. This is my coffee, so it's extra strong, and we need a lot of it on Monday. So this is a great one, and then you could jump right up to your coffee menus, and this is really where all your normal coffees lay, okay? So this is just a quick overview of the icons on the top, really about some of the maintenance and some of the outer workings other than just sipping amazing coffee. Hope you enjoyed this.